In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Kinsta for high-performance WordPress hosting. If you're building client websites, running WooCommerce stores, or managing resource-heavy learning platforms, performance is not optional. Slow response times can hurt user experience, reduce conversions, and even impact SEO. That's why Cloudways and Kinsta come up so often in premium WordPress hosting conversations. They're both strong options, but they're built very differently. And understanding that difference is where you need to begin. Cloudways works like a managed layer on top of cloud providers such as DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. In practical terms, you're getting dedicated server resources like RAM and CPU, along with more control over the environment. You can adjust PHP settings, choose caching layers, and run custom cron jobs with a lot more freedom. Kinsta takes a different approach. It's a fully managed platform built on Google Cloud using isolated Linux containers for each site. You're not managing a virtual server directly. Instead, Kinsta locks down the lower level settings and handles optimization for you, which makes it appealing if you want a more hands-off experience. Next, think about scaling rules. Cloudways does not impose artificial visitor caps or strict site limits in the same way. You can host multiple WordPress sites on one server as long as your server resources can handle the load. Kinsta, on the other hand, structures pricing around traffic thresholds and install limits, so your costs can rise faster as you add sites or grow visits. Another major difference is how each platform behaves under dynamic traffic. Kinsta's lower tiers include a limited number of PHP workers, which can become a bottleneck on uncached pages during checkout spikes or membership activity. Cloudways gives you more flexibility here, especially when paired with its Thunderstack setup and Redis on eligible server sizes, which can help with demanding workloads. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, open your browser, go to the Cloudways website, sign into your dashboard, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized application, select DigitalOcean, then pick the premium server type. Set the server size to 2 GB of RAM or higher if you want Redis support included. After that, choose the data center location closest to your audience and launch the server. Provisioning usually only takes a few minutes. If you prefer Kinsta, go to the Kinsta website, sign in to the My Kinsta dashboard, and deploy your site there. This route makes sense if you want premium managed hosting with built-in enterprise-grade security and minimal technical setup. If you launched on Cloudways, open your application dashboard, go to Domain Management, enter your domain, and set it as primary. Then open SSL certificate, add your email address and domain, and install the certificate to enable HTTPS. Finally, review everything before going live. Confirm that the domain is connected correctly, the SSL certificate is active, and your CPU and memory usage look healthy in the dashboard. Once that